Well, folks, I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and today I've got some very exciting news. Actually, it's some breaking news about cast iron. Lodge Cast Iron Manufacturing in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, made a statement today on their Facebook page, and let me share that with you here. They're saying here, it says, to our valued community, while our warehouse sale won't take place this year, we have a lot to celebrate with the opening of our new Lodge Museum of Cast Iron. In honor of Lodge-toberfest, we'll be offering up to 50% off store-wide on select items in all of our factory stores for the entire month of October, plus online promotions. If you were planning to join us in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee for our annual warehouse sale, we hope you'll plan to join us for the opening of our museum on Saturday, October the 8th, 2022. So, folks, this is some exciting news. Now, Teresa and I went to the Lodge Cornbread Festival back in April of this year. And they were telling us that they're looking forward to opening the museum, but they just didn't have an opening date at the time. So we are very excited about this. I'm looking forward to trying to get over there to that. We want to join in with them in the celebration of their opening of their museum. I know recently they had a Lodge cast iron skillet, the largest cast iron skillet made, I believe, that had been captured going down the interstate, and it was going to South Pittsburgh, Tennessee to be placed in the new museum. So we're looking forward to seeing that, and we're just excited about this, and I know they are as well. If you're a fan of cast iron, Lodge is the oldest remaining manufacturer of cast iron in the United States. They've been around. They were established in 1896. Now, I did say 1896, not 1996. So they've been around for 125, 126 years. So, you know, they've got to be producing a good product in order to be around that long. And we use Lodge quite frequently. Most of our stuff, not all, but most of our stuff is Lodge. And we really enjoy the products. We enjoy making review videos and just cooking videos of their using their products. So I'm excited to get there and see what all that they have from the old stuff way back in Blacklock days and different things. I just want to see some of the history there in the museum. So I'm looking forward to that, and I hope you guys are too. Mrs. Cast Iron and I are looking forward to going, and we hope you'll join us. So I just wanted to share this with you. Hey, it's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. You guys take care, and check out this video right here because it was made for you, and we'll see you guys over there. Take care. Bye-bye.